Well, good day, my ladies and my gents. Happy Wednesday, which means it's time for another wonderful episode of What Did You Buy Wednesday, hosted by our buddy Joe up there at Big Sky Model Workshop, up there in Big Sky country of Montana. And get a little bit of snow, a little bit of late winter snow up there. Anyway, whole idea here is stash ads. You got something cool you got in the last week, month, year, 2 years, and you haven't talked about it before, let us know about it. Show it off. You find a new vendor online that's got some cool stuff and decent prices and maybe even some decent customer service. Cue us in. I've found some other places because of other people's What Did You Buy Wednesday and bought some stuff from them. Got to support uh, our little vendors that are out here, little 1 man, 2 man, 3 man operations like VCG Resins.com. Josh is a little 1 man operation. Sometimes he wrangles his wife and son into helping him out, but still, it's basically a 1 man operation being run out of the spare bedroom in his home. So, yeah, got to support these guys. They're kind of the backbone of our economy. But anyway, what we got going today is basically a VCG special. Number one, week and a half until we get to the car show. Next week, next Wednesday, in fact, I am going to be going down picking up a rental car. I got an old pickup and you don't quite trust it to go 2,000 miles, so I'd rather have somebody else pay for the maintenance if things go all over the highway. So, yeah, so I'm going to get me a rental car. And already got hotel reservations made up that way. Going to make easy 2 day trip instead of a hard 1 day trip. I don't know if I can do 1,000 miles in a day, so it's kind of rough. But I'm gonna make it an easy 2 day drive. But yeah, so I will be um doing some stuff from the Mile High Open, and but that'll be week and a half. I'll talk more about it later. So anyway, onward forward. Um, got a pizza box, and we have some engines that I got last week from Josh. I talked about this one earlier on Sunday, and this is the Model A 4-cylinder. I have used I'm doing the Revell 31 Model A Woody, and it comes with some speed parts, including a dual carb intake. This portion, the VCG version, comes with a single carb. It actually bends up like this and has a mount for a carburetor under here and a little air cleaner that comes up along here. Well, I wanted to do something a little bit more, so I was able to adapt the Revell dual carb to this, and so a little bit. I've done absolutely diddly squat this week, so yeah, it's basically the same as it was then. Oh, excuse me. So I'm fixing to put some of this material on there for the fan belt. And I got a little bit more touch up to do on it with paint. I may go ahead and stick some wires on here for the distributor. What the heck? But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and pull this out because this engine block the whole thing is just really pretty amazing. Let's see. Yeah, it's Scale Speed Garage, the one that designed it for Josh. Now, this is the part that really blows my mind. This is the engine block. The interior detail, and it does have a cover that goes over this, as you can see here. And this is an oil line, I'm assuming, going from here to over here. And everything kind of keys in. There's a lot of that type of stuff in here, so you have a much harder time getting it screwed up. The crankshaft, the bearings and everything underneath. It even comes with a camshaft that you can slide in and it'll actually notch up on that gearing there. Um, take the head off, and there's what you got. Look at that. So anyway, yeah. And speaking of the head, that's a before I you get anything done with it. So um, let's see. It does come with pulleys. I think I talked about that the other day. Um, got the water pump gearing here that also drives the fan and that type of thing. Um, does have a gear shift. Me, here it is. Does come with a gear shift. I haven't painted the one up for this one yet. It has a fan, that type of thing. Yeah, it's just really pretty cool. I'm quite impressed with it. And for the sake of um, keeping this kind of brief, I'm just going to kind of buzz through these. I got a 350 Chevy stock Chevy small block 350. There we go. I was starting to stumble, and I got it with a automatic. I don't remember which one now, but I have to go back and look. And it's just your basic 350 small block Chevy. So yeah, I'm not going to pull it all apart. I'm trying to keep this one short today. I also got the Chevy 250 inline six, and it also has the more or less one of the older automatics. But you can see it's just your basic 6-cylinder engine. So yeah, not a whole lot there. It does have quite a bit of detail, but it's just your basic 6-cylinder. Throw it in an old Chevy pickup or something like that. You got an old Chevy. I don't know. Maybe you want to do that in one of the uh, new Mobius kits of the uh, old, what is it, 46, 47 Chevy type things. I don't remember. But anyway, yeah, something like that. So let me go ahead and finish this up here. Now, VCGResins.com. Got to talk about Josh. Big supporter of the channel, big supporter of our hobby or obsession or whatever you want to call it. And he uh, has got, of course, go to the website. He's got a newsletter there on the bottom of the homepage. And sign up for it, get notified when new stuff comes out, uh, as well as any news or information that Josh needs to let us know about the shop or modeling world in general that needs to be let known about. Then go shopping. Got all kinds of nifty stuff on there. When you do find some stuff you want to get, go ahead and head on over to the checkout page and use promo code Jester10 when you get over there. And then you'll be able to save 10% on your order. Does not include shipping, which is all of $6. And you've seen before some of the stuff that's come. Josh packs it very, very well. So, yeah. But anyway, that's what we got going on. And I'm still deciding if I want to take one of my builds up there to see if maybe I can put it. I've got a couple of Broncos that are pretty good, but not the best in the world. I've got some hot rods that are pretty good, but not the best in the world. I've also got some other things that doesn't really fit into that, but have a whole bunch of VCG resin stuff in it that I might take up there to put on Josh's vendor table. I'll talk to him about that and kind of show what you can do with a bunch of VCG stuff in a kit. So I don't know. I haven't decided yet, and I'll decide that later. I'm going to shout at Josh about that and ask if we could do that or if he wants me to or not. So, but anyway, um, okay, I'm going to shut up. This is going on 10 minutes. Um, so anyway, I will, unless something really big comes up, I will talk to you Sunday for Sunday Text Talk. B-Tex signing out.